Here's how to automatically create captions using Adobe Premiere Pro. If you just want the captions uploaded to YouTube and displaying as closed captions, then stick to the end of the video. After dragging your video along with whatever audio you'd like into your project, navigate up to the window and go all the way down to text. This will open up a new panel where all of your captioning will be done. Go ahead and press transcribe sequence. This will automatically transcribe your video and then generate your captions. Set your language, and for audio analysis, you're going to want to set the source audio track to whatever it's set to on your timeline. None of the other settings need to be changed, however you are free to do so. After transcribing your clip, you'll be taken to the transcript tab. If you see anything incorrect with your transcript, just wait until this following step is over to easily change your captions text. Go ahead and click Create Captions. The settings here are completely up to you, and recreating the captions is extremely easy. After pressing Create, your computer will spend some time creating accurate timestamps for your captions and placing them on your timeline. Your captions will have its own track, and you'll be able to hide or display the tracks with just a click of a button. With the Captions tab still open, you're able to quickly change any of the text that may have been transcribed incorrectly. If you want to change the placement or timing of your captions, head down to the timeline after selecting the text and captions and move around the highlighted block. Changing the style of the captions is as simple as selecting all of the text blocks, which should open a panel called Essential Graphics, and changing whatever you'd like. If the panel does not show up for whatever reason, you can manually open the panel by navigating to Window and clicking Essential Graphics. Now then, would you like to just upload the text to YouTube as subtitles instead of having them display on the video? And follow the steps displayed on the video and you should be good to go. If you have any questions or suggestions for the next video, please don't feel afraid to leave a comment down below. Leave a like if I've helped you in any way, and please take care.